Wanted to show how beautiful day today is. We're gonna be grilling some hamburgers and hot dogs. And I have this tiny portable grill at my house. You're supposed to separate your darks from the whites. If you have that kind of quality in your clothing, then yes, because poor quality will leak colors. If you have the right quality, it doesn't have to be fancy or anything, there is no color leaking, so you can certainly do darks with whites. Should not be any problem. So I'm gonna put some syrup on this. Hopefully it will help. And some hot water. That worked. Actually, it's not going to be a total loss because I'm going to take the long part of this and take it out to the cabin and use it there to extend my current hose. Got a new hose. I ordered this like 11 o'clock in the morning. It showed up the same evening from Amazon. So I'm gonna put this up and call it a day. Decided to make some potato salad. This is whole grown potatoes. I'm gonna cook them in their skin. And I'm gonna have to watch it because you don't want to make it too soft. And as far as the rest of the ingredients are very similar to coleslaw, except I'm not gonna use cabbage and carrots. And instead of vinegar, I'm gonna use mustard, but the sauce is the same pretty much. Time to put the laundry in the dryer. While I'm waiting for the coals to light up, I'm gonna get ready with the meats that I'm gonna grill. I'm just gonna do salt and pepper and some oil on it. Let's go grilling. 5 minutes. I decided that I'm not gonna make pumpkin rolls today. I'm gonna make pancake instead. So I need the oven on 350 and I need a pan. Just like that. Okay, so 2 sticks of butter. And I'm gonna use my hand blender. A cup of sugar. A little bit of vanilla. I'm gonna mix this a little more because what I want to do is dissolve the sugar. I'm gonna put a little bit of sour cream in this, just about a tablespoon. And then for the flour, I'm gonna need 1.5 cups, so I'm gonna start with a 1/2 cup because I want to put in the salt, just a pinch of salt. And some baking powder, maybe a 1/2 teaspoon. And I want to mix this all up. Flour in it. I'm gonna need another cup of flour. I'm gonna start stirring. I'm going to do it manually. Oh, the oven is ready, 350. Perfect timing. So it's not the traditional pound cake, it's a lighter one and not as much because I'll only use 1/2 pound of butter. This is very fast and simple to make. So I'm gonna spread that in. much flour, maybe just a tiny bit. It should be more flowy, but that's okay. It's gonna turn out just fine. I just have to double it more. Even it out a little more on the top. Looks good. So this will bake for 40 minutes at least, and then I'll check for doneness with a toothpick. In the meantime, I'll clean up and then watch a movie. Here's the pound cake, fresh out of the oven. So this will be served with sliced strawberries. I'm just gonna slice the cake, put some strawberries on it, and whipped cream. That's gonna be dessert tonight. Good way to celebrate. I'm gonna go finish watching movies. See you next time.